What you making, DIYers? It's Walker and Zephyr with DIY.LIFE. And in this episode, we are going to be making a super cool sidecar for my little buddy here. You're going to be my little scooter bro. Yeah. I got this wire basket. We're going to attach it to the scooter and we're going to take this guy for a ride. See how he likes it. If you haven't seen the unboxing, assembly, ride and review video that I did for the Ainohot Volt scooter, please check that out up here. All right, this should be a pretty easy build. I only got a couple of things here, ordered them off Amazon. The links are in the description. The Ainohot Volt scooter comes with a little rack system here on the back of the scooter, which makes it really easy to mount things on here and utilize this surface. I went ahead and picked up a couple things. I've got a wire basket here that's big enough for my little buddy. We'll set that right on there like that. I've got a leash extension harness for him. It's just a little short leash basically, and it clips on, keeps him nice and safe in there. Yeah, because we don't want you jumping out. And I actually picked up this cool little helmet and goggle set. It's got this little cute little helmet and these goggles that go with it. So you put the helmet and the goggles together like that, and yeah. So we can see if he'll wear these. I don't know. I don't know if he'll let us put those on him or not, but we'll try to make it happen. And I also have, I grabbed from the shop here, I grabbed a big piece of foam. This is like a kneeling pad for putting down, for kneeling on, to kind of save your knees. And it's almost the same, it's almost the right size. And I was just gonna put this at the bottom of the basket so that he has something kind of soft and cushioned to stand on. Yeah. And we're just gonna use some zip ties here. You know, aesthetically, I think black zip ties would look best, but I don't have any right now. So we'll just use the white ones. They'll show up in the video a little better. So we'll just throw one here in the front. Oh, you like the taste of zip ties, do you, buddy? Throw one here in the front to kind of keep the basket there. And we'll throw one in the back. We'll throw a few in the back. And you want to cinch those down real tight so the basket doesn't move around on us. Yeah, buddy. And I kind of want to do these so that the zip tie angles down. Nice and tight. Boom. And so the front is still kind of moving around on us a little bit. So let's put one right here. This should help us. There, and then just for good measure, we'll stick one here. There. Yeah, that's super solid. I like the way that feels. He is not going anywhere. Let's tighten that one down. And now we can trim these. I got a little knife here. We'll just trim these real quick. I'm wondering if I can trim this thing with scissors. Let me try using scissors first. Then if scissors don't work, then we can step it up. I'm just gonna eyeball this because I'm an eyeballer. It's about the right size, I think. So we'll just slip that in there. We can even trim these little corners. Should be good. Okay, next we'll hook up the little leash Now when I ordered this on Amazon, I wasn't sure if it was stretchy, but it's not. It's actually, it's like braided looking, but it's super taut. It's a good word. And so it actually is really good because I don't want it stretchy. I want it really secure for him because I don't want him jumping out. Are you ready, Zephyr? You ready to try on your helmet and your goggles? Let's do it, buddy. Come here. Okay. I think we have to undo this. And then you got 2 ear holes, just like that. And this goes under your chin. Yeah. It's a little small. I think it's made for a slightly smaller dog. I think it should work. I think it's gonna work. Let's try the goggles. Okay. Goggles go around like that. I think you're good to go. How do you look? I think you look great. I think you look great, bro. You look awesome. You look ready for the road. This is incredible. Okay, now we just have to put you right in the basket here. Get you down here just like that. And we'll connect you in there like that. Yeah, and you can just chill, just like that. Look at you. You are ready for the road. Can I have a kiss? Okay, Zephyr and I are about to go on our first trip on the scooter, the Volt E-Scooter together. You ready, buddy? Looks like he's ready. We'll start out nice and slow, okay, buddy? Is that good? Good job, Zephyr. You did such a good job. I am so proud of you. You are a good boy. You like to ride, huh? You're a little scooter bro. Well, I'm super impressed with how well he did on this first ride. The helmet may be bugging him a little bit right about now, so we'll go ahead and get that taken off. But yeah, I think he really likes it. I think this is something that we may do. If you have any questions about the Ainohot Volt E-Scooter, please leave them below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time.